Hey guys, Reverend7 here. Today I'm going to be unboxing with my brother quite a few different Hot Wheels cars of all different types.
Really hyped.
And showing you a couple from a couple different eras that we have as well. This is going to be sort of a our first lot video we've done in a while. We used to do these a lot when we go up to New York for the summer for our flea market finds, but we haven't been able to do that in a while.
Or holidays or Easter or something like that.
Yeah, but still, I figured it'd be fun to do sort of a mass unboxing. We haven't done one in a while, and I'll also show some stuff we picked up from our local garage sales. So, starting off in the loose cars, we have Zombot. This is, I think, the most recent Zombot, if not one of the most recent. I have one in red, as well as the Treasure Hunt one. I think they're actually the same.
And the most smoothest one. I think our other one we have is just so old. Like, we got it probably the year it actually came out, but now this one is just so clean, and like you can actually see what it is.
We have the first edition Zombot. I always thought this car was really cool. When I was a little kid, I didn't understand what it really was, so I thought it was just a really ugly car. And then when I remember being like 7 or 8 years old, I'm like, oh my god, it's a transformer zombie with a laser rifle.
You show me too. You're like, Ruffle, come here, Ruff. And then, oh man, I looked at it, I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, well, you must have been like a year old when I found out what it was. But
I know.
Anyway, very cool. This one's got translucent wheels and translucent body and an orange gun, but very cool. Yeah, you can imagine how bad.
Green is killing it.
How badass this was when it came out.
Yeah.
The original is gold. Next up is this 50. I think it's a 55 Chevy Nomad, in this beautiful what's it called? Metallic red, metal flake red, with gold wheels. I love this casting. It's all metal. I like the, it just has a lot of weight to it, and it just feels like a nice,
classic.
Feels like a really well-proportioned casting. You got the sunroof, I don't think there's actually a window in the back, but you have plastic glass throughout the rest. Beige interior, very cool. This car was popularized at least for kids that grew up playing with Hot Wheels my age, from the the Chevy Nomad that Lonnie drives in Hot Wheels World Race. And I really like this color. Here is this same color on a Camaro.
Is that metallic red or no?
It's metallic red, but it looks so beautiful on this Camaro.
Yeah, look, why does it look shiny? I mean, actually, that's the whole point of it. I feel like on this one, I feel like it's like, I don't know, it just looks different. I don't know if it's just me.
Well, the wheels are also a different color. The color contrast.
Yeah, it might be throwing it off a little bit. I don't know.
But yeah, this is the new car. I've had this Camaro for a year or two. But very cool. Got these from a garage sale. I'm like, why are these in such good shape in a dump bin? And last but not least of the loose cars, this turquoise BMW M1.
Love everything about this car. The color.
Also in metal flake turquoise. We got the 5-spoke wheels, black headlight detail. I forgot exactly what this is called.
Is that a
diffuser?
DeLorean?
No, it's a BMW M1.
Oh, okay. I was like, oh, it reminds me of the DeLorean.
This casting's not very accurate, but yep, it's a BMW M1. And I love that the base on these matches the color of the car for some reason. I don't know why certain cars did that, certain cars didn't.
I don't think I've seen that car in real life before.
No, they're super rare, BMW M1s. Okay, next up, we're moving on to our boxed cars. Wow. First up, we're going to be unboxing this Jaguar XJ220. These cars are all from 2020.
I mean, I feel like any Hot Wheels collector can agree that I have never seen this car in a while.
I haven't seen the XJ220 in a while. There was an orange one earlier this year or last year, but before that I didn't see it in a long time, and it's always cool to see these wheels. These are a really classic wheel.
Actually, another good thing, it's always good to see these old cars that I've never seen this car in a while come back. So.
Fun fact about the Jaguar XJ220, it was the fastest car in the world when it came out, and the next year, or very soon after, the McLaren F1 came out and blew its record out of the water. But still, it did 218 miles an hour, I believe, and that's faster than the Lamborghini Aventador, which is a really popular supercar from today, so that was impressive. It's in a interesting metallic turquoise, dark turquoise. You got headlight detail, the Jaguar logo, details on the side. Very cool looking car, and it looks a lot like a red Jaguar XJ220 from like 20 years ago that I have. It looks exactly the same. Next up, Hot Wheels Nd500 Oval Racer.
Oh yeah, I can't wait for this one. I'm really hyped to see this one. I love these like racer cars, whatever, for Hot Wheels. They do awesome jobs in these.
Interesting. This is got gray wheels. I didn't realize that. The wheels themselves are gray.
I always think of these cars like when it's on a track. I always imagine it just zooming so fast.
Well, Indy 500 or Hot Wheels 500 is an Indy car that this is definitely inspired by.
Yeah.
Because this is a fantasy Hot Wheels car. This isn't like an actual branded Indy car.
These are one of my favorite cars on track. Or just even see.
Open wheel race cars are always going to be like the coolest thing ever.
Came with a driver too in the inside.
Car doesn't weigh much, even though it's it's half plastic. It's metal body, plastic base, but still feels like it doesn't weigh anything. We got 3 turquoise cars over here. Next up is Supervan.
Oh yeah, this one's a nice one.
Recently picked up the first edition of Supervan. I can show that to you guys in our 1,000 subscriber special. This one is based off of a deck of cards. It's got kings on the side, ace on the roof, plastic base metal body, but since it's just such a big casting, it feels heavy.
Looks really nice too.
Very cool. Creative design. Very cool.
And red windows too.
Yeah, I was about to say red windows, red wheels.
What's it called again?
Supervan.
Okay.
Sort of a play
I
on
almost just lost the name of it because how good the decals were.
Sort of a play on Superman. And next up, the next car that we're going to be unboxing is this 1957 Plymouth Fury. You might recognize the Plymouth Fury from the horror movie Christine.
And 57, right when he said 1957, right there. Oops.
Hot Wheels does that sometimes. They'll put the year of the car on the side. So, just kind of a little clever thing they do. This one's beautiful. It's white with orange flames, orange decals. I'm not a big fan of the yellow line wheels. I think they could have been better.
Oh yeah, imagine it feels like orange or something.
Or just black. This car's got a really narrow wheelbase. It's very narrow. The wheels are kind of inward. But still, very interesting casting. I would have loved this with black wheels.
Yeah, same
got
here.
orange windows.
Or yeah, I was about to say, or orange around the ring. Because I mean, there's orange right here, or white.
But this car was popularized by the movie Christine. It's a horror movie. The car is possessed.
Wow, I haven't seen that movie. Got to see it soon.
I collect Porsches, so this is a really cool one. This is part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. This is a 911 GT3 RS in matte black. And this has got to be a collaboration with somebody, but I don't know who it is.
So let me see the packaging.
Very cool decals. Blacked out headlights, blacked out windows.
Probably saying exotics. It just says Hot Wheels Exotics.
He's a Twitch streamer or something. He's got like a video game controller for his logo. But this looks like one of the cars that they wrap at the Gumball car rallies and all over the world. I think the Gumball Germany. I think that's where those are. I'll have to double check. But plastic base metal body, but I like the plastic base on this because it creates a air splitter in the front and a diffuser in the back. And this is really cool, matte black and yellow color scheme, and I love the tinted windows and the blacked out headlights. That's interesting.
Yeah, and a spoiler on the back.
And I always love to come across a new Porsche. And then last but not least, we'll be keeping this one in the box, is the Mattel Dreammobile.
I don't know what this is. Like, I mean,
I'll have to look into the history of this and show it on screen, but this thing is very weird. It doesn't even look like a Hot Wheels car. It's a weird looking car. It looks almost like something from the Jetsons.
I don't even know what to say about this. Looks like one of those things from like I don't know if there's a certain show. You know the Fruity Pebble characters or whatever.
The Flintstones. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking of the Jetsons, the space theme show.
Extreme proportion on the top.
They used to give a history of some of the cars on the back of the packaging and explain it. It'd be kind of cool with this, but I'll look it up and put some little facts about it throughout the video. But this is weird. Very weird. It looks like a 1950s concept car.
Very interesting, though.
Yeah. M75. 75 years of Mattel. Interesting. I'll have to look into this one more. But anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. And subscribe for more unboxing videos and Hot Wheels videos, just like this one. Bye.
Bye.